Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to replace a 35mm cartridge in your kitchen faucet. Buy stylish. The tools you will need are a new cartridge, a special tool for 35mm cartridges, an Allen wrench, a screwdriver. Identify the back part of your faucet handle, where you should find a small rubber cover protecting the access to the screw that secures the handle. Remove the rubber cover to expose the screw. Use the Allen wrench to loosen the screw that holds the handle in place. Pull the handle straight out to remove it. Insert the special tool for 35mm cartridges to unscrew the cartridge protection. Use the screwdriver as leverage if needed. Once the protection is removed, simply pull out the old cartridge. Insert the new cartridge into the same position as the old one. Use the special tool again to tighten the cartridge protection securely. Place the handle back in position and tighten it with the Allen wrench. Finally, place the rubber cover back behind the handle to protect the screw access. And that's it. With these easy steps, you have successfully replaced the cartridge in your kitchen faucet.